Hey, it's been a while since we've done a video. This one's a little bit different. We're gonna mask my beard. And I'm gonna tell you why we wanna mask it and what we're gonna mask it with. First, I've been growing this out since January. I haven't been to the barber because of COVID-19. We're in November now, so I've only got a couple more months until I've had this thing on for a year. And it's getting pretty long, very full. Having a hard time getting down into the bottom with my soap, with my beard oil. Very important that we still do that. But I'm going to show you how we can use a mask and some of the stuff we have just around the house to help the overall health. We're going to eliminate the pollution that builds up into our beards. We're going to help fight the free radicals. We're going to clean that dead layer of skin that builds up onto our chin. Causes itchies, acne, ingrown hairs. And this is something to do maybe once a week, once every couple of weeks, and we'll show you some different things to use, but this is really important right now. And hey, what else are we doing? So first I'm going to start out with a wet towel. I want to warm up my pores, and even though I'm masking my beard, I'm going to warm everything up. I'm going to mask my scalp, I'm going to mask my face, my nose, and then especially my beard. This is a fun mask. I'm starting out with some liquid. I had some leftover coffee from this morning from our French press. Probably got about a half cup here. Some of our masks are super thick that we'll use on the skin, and some of them are thin. This one I'm going to mix so it's super watery and super thin. And today I'm using our black pearl mask. This one's fantastic. It's got activated charcoal, pearl powder for the calcium, dehydrated coconut milk. So it's vegan friendly for our vegan friends. There's no animal products in it, and it comes dry. So we can use anything from coffee, tea, water, oils, smashed bananas, avocados. I want the stimulating properties of the coffee, so that's why I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to pour some of this in to my coffee. You don't need a whole lot. And that's one nice thing about our masks, is a little goes a long way. I didn't bring a spoon, so I'm going to mix this up with my fingers. I want to make sure to get all that charcoal, everything really good and saturated in here. I suggest you don't wear a shirt you care about either while you do this, or stand in the shower. That's what I usually do at home. So I have this super runny coffee mask mixture, and I just dip my fingers and I'm going to apply. The cool thing about using a water-based liquid, it's going to dehydrate on your skin, and it's actually going to dry this mask. So it's going to activate that charcoal, and it's going to start pulling all the stuff that builds up in our pores, all the stuff that's building up all on our hair shafts. It's hard to tell on the camera, but it is covering pretty good. And while you guys are doing this, if you do it at home, shoot a video. We'll repost it. Maybe we'll send you something. And that's the hardest part, is getting it down into the skin. So I'm actually just working it. I wasn't shooting a video, I'd probably spend a few more minutes doing this. But make sure you're just getting it into the chin skin. This is not just for the hair. This is for as much for the skin health as it is for the hair health. Get that mustache really good. Doesn't look like there's much on me, but I can feel it. So now at this point, I've got pretty good coverage. I'm getting laughed at. I like to take my comb. I have our little sandalwood beard comb here. This is going to help pick up that mask and distribute it evenly through your beard. Just like any kind of a beard oil. All right, I have everything spread out now. So I'm gonna let this sit probably for about 20 to 30 minutes. I want it to dry, I want the coffee to dehydrate, I want the mask to dry up. You'll start to feel things kind of get cracky and dry. That's how you know this stuff's working, and it's pulling. It's pulling stuff that builds up down in your pores. It's pulling stuff off of your hair. You're getting a super good detox out of this. And then what's going to happen once we let this dry, I'm going to rinse it off with warm water. Once it's fully rinsed off and my skin's clean, this is the really important part. We need to hydrate and we need to oil. So I will make sure that I oil my scalp, my face, my beard really good, because we've removed any bad oils, dirty oils, dirt and junk and sweat that's built up. So now you need to replace it with something, because if you leave those pores empty now, all you're going to do is get more free radicals. Anything that's floating around in the air has a new home, a nice clean house to kick it back in. So oil it up and then you'll be set. If you guys have any questions about this, jump on, let me know. If you have questions on what masks to use, we have 3 or 4 to choose from on our website. One's pink, one's green, one's black. Don't hesitate to use any of them. Share it with your partner at home. They're great. We hope you guys enjoy our mask videos. If there's anything else you'd like to see us talk about, send us a message below.